Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. In our previous classes, we have discussed what basic geometry concept, and in which we have discussed open curves, closed curve, and polygon. And we observe these all things in our day-to-day life. In our today class, we are going to discuss a new concept that is not new for you because you already studied about the angles in your previous class. What is an angle? An angle, एक angle होता क्या है? Can you tell me what is an angle? The angle you observe in your daily life. Suppose this board has this common point, and in this way it is forming an angle. This is an angle. So what is an angle? What is an angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. An angle What is an angle? An angle is made up of two rays. An angle is made up of two rays starting from an initial point. This is called an angle. This is called an angle. Here P O Q is an angle. इसमें इनिशियल पॉइंट क्या है? इनिशियल पॉइंट क्या है? O. व्हाट इज द इनिशियल पॉइंट? O. और रेज कौन सी हैं? OP and OQ. So this is called an angle. POQ is an angle where O is initial point and rays OP and OQ. These rays are also called sides or arms of angle. These rays are called sides or arms, and these initial points where they meet is known as the vertex. What is vertex? The point where the two rays meet. The points where the two rays meet. Yes. What is it? This is an example of angle. This is an example of angle. This is also an example of angle. There are a lot of example of angles in our day-to-day life. You can think, you can write. You have to write the 5 different ways or 5 different things which form the angles. Caesar also form the different rays. Angles, Caesar also form the angles. So the common initial point is called the vertex. The two rays is called the arms and side. Is that clear? So here O is called the vertex. OP and OQ are called sides or arms of angle, and PQ. And students, there is a different ways of naming. There are the different ways of naming. We can write it as, instead of writing this POQ is an angle, instead of writing POQ is an angle, we can write this way POQ, angle POQ. or हम इसे we can write it as QOP. We can write it as QOP, or we can write it as angle O also. We can write it as angle O. So there are different ways to naming POQ, QOP, or P, or we can write that angle 1 only. We can write or name that angle 1. So there are different ways of naming. Okay, you can write it as POQ, you can write it as QOP, you can write it as only O, and you can write this angle 1. So these are the different ways where we can write the name of angle. Is that clear? So we use a symbol for that, that is called angle. This is represent the symbol of angle. This is a symbol of angle. And now same the polygon, the angles have also interior and exterior. Interior and exterior. This is an angle and this whole area is called the interior. This area, this boundary and this shaded portion is commonly known as the area or region of the angle. This is called region of the angle, and this is called interior, this is called exterior. This is called interior and this is called exterior. It is just like your patties or samosa. So this is just the interior portion where the potatoes are found, and this is the exterior portion where the potatoes fall. So this is the way to understand the concept of angle. Now students, come to exercise 4.3. Easy exercise are both. You can also do yourself, but okay, no problem. We have enough time to do it. Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. A figure is given and you have to name that. तो names क्या है? Names of the angles. What are the angles names? Can you tell? Yes, A, B, C. A, B, C. Angle A, B, C. Angle B, C, D. Angle B, C, D. Angle A, B, C. This is an angle. Angle B, C, D. This is an angle. Angle C, D, A. This is an angle. Angle D, A, B. These all are angles. These 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 are angles. So this is a question number first. Naming of angles. Next one is the second question. Have you any doubt in this? No? The next question is, in the given diagram, name the points in the interior. In question number second, you have given a diagram. A diagram is given, you have to write the interiors. So, interior of angle DOE. Interior of angle DOE. Which is interior? Angle A. Which is interior? Points A. Sorry, not angle. Which is interior? Point A. Interior of DOE is A. Which is exterior? EOF. EOF. C is or exterior of EOF is C. EOF का exterior क्या है? C है. और on EOF. EOF पे हमारे पास क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? On EOF. EOF पे कौन सा पॉइंट है? B. कौन सा पॉइंट है? B. कौन सा पॉइंट है? B. EOF पे